So it's early morning, I've got my coffee, and finally, it had stopped raining. Last night it rained so heavy, it was non-stop, hour after hour after hour. Just when you think the rain was about to stop, it would start again. After talking to a few campers around the RV resort, it was time to pack up and head out to the next destination along the route. Finally getting the chance to see the Hope Slide, it was time to continue my journeys eastward and head out to Manning Park. Stay tuned for our next episode.